Arambe.
Such a long day, had such a long day. Just wanna have a good time. I'm on a hold. Yeah, jingle. I'm on a hold. Just wanna have a good time. Respect, warrior. Make you just be yourself, just be yourself. Be yourself,
Cut putting planks into these shapes and join them as shown here. Build a portable shoe rack from wooden pieces with opposite edges. Each rectangular vertical support was formed by connecting two 1.5 feet long pieces with 1 foot pieces at the top and bottom ends using screws. The horizontal supports were connected to the two vertical rectangular supports at the sides by inserting the rabbets on their edges into grooves in the interior of front and back pieces of the vertical rectangular supports close to the bottom, middle, and top. The rabbets were then screwed to the grooves to keep them firmly in place. To test the shoe rack, 6 pairs of extra large shoes were conveniently fitted onto it in the most conventional manner that shoes are usually placed on racks, but it's possible to use this rack to store even more than 12 shoes by stacking shoes in alternative ways, as shown here. For example, 8 shoes were fitted into just the middle segment. This shows how the portable wooden shoe rack was unscrewed into its component wooden pieces, which, compared to the fully assembled shoe rack, takes less space for easier storage and transportation.
Thanks for watching, and we should always remember that it's not important. The love of the